We're entering the Quantum Farmhouse. Looks right there. Ha? Tatakay ka doon? You don't like here? Okay, let's get out. We're going out. Ayaw ni Tahalia here. Okay. You wanna eat?
Yeah.
Let's eat na?
So hungry.
Okay then. We're gonna eat. Tahalia bought 2 bra, 2 shirts, and 2 cycling shorts for her 9th birthday. Her gift. Thank you, ma'am. Her gift from me. Dali, get your stuff.
Kasi yung RT, isang tao, parang isang hour.
Isang
Thank you, ma'am. Next naman. Oh, where shall we go next? Talia. Where?
garden.
Garden? Oh, let's go to the garden. Buying cap for Tahalia. Okay. Okay. Kunin na niya, ma'am.
Gamitin mo.
Oh, gamitin mo na, gamitin mo. Cap. It's 300 pesos cap.
Pwede pong magpasa. Pwede yung mga t-shirt mo. Sa baba na. Second. Kayo ulit.
Penthouse. Okay, pinatanggal ko na sa supot and the tag. Okay. Wear it nga. There, you look there, you look. Suit mo.
Sakto naman na.
Ha? Thank you, ma'am. I'll see. I'll see. Cool. Yan. I'll see nga. Look here nga, anak. Look here, ah. Yes. We are here at food court, SM food court, and Tahalia and I are having our dinner. Want some more sabaw? Nilaga. Try this one, try the corn. Sarap, anak. Yan. Okay. Yummy. Oh, di ba?